Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we are gonna solve this problem, that is, we have to find the double derivative of this given parametric equation. So basically a function is given that x is the function of t and y is the function of t and f is the function of x and y. So we have to differentiate y with respect to x, but x and y are also the function of t variable. So we will use these two given formulas that I have already written. First we will find the first derivation, that is dy by dx. So to find that, we have to differentiate y with respect to t divided by, we have to differentiate x with respect to t. So if we will differentiate y with respect to t, so what we can write here, dy by dt, and if we will differentiate this term dy by dt, so 3 is a constant, and if we will differentiate cos to the power 5t, so what we will get? We will get 0, because differentiation of constant is always 0, and we have to differentiate this. So this will become 5 cos to the power 4t, and cos t is minus of sin t. So this is dy by dt. Now if we will find dx by dt, then we have to differentiate the above term with respect to. So we can write this as dy by dt of 9 minus d by dt of 9 cos t. So basically 9 is constant, so it will be thrown out, so it will become minus 9, and cos t differentiation is minus sin t, so it will become plus. So we can write this as 9 of sin t. Now to find the dy by dx, because the first derivative of y with respect to x, we have to divide the upper term by lower term, because this is the formula that I have written here. So the above term is minus 5 cos to the power 4t multiplied by sin t divided by 9 sin t. So here sin t will be cancelled, so it will become minus 5 divided by 9 cos to the power 4t. Now to find the double derivative of y with respect to x again, so we know that we have to differentiate this above expression with respect to t, and then we have to multiply dt by dx. So if we will differentiate this, we will put the value. So what we will get? We will get dy by dt of minus 5 by 9 cos to the power 4t multiply by, so dt by dx is basically 1 divided by dx by dt. So if we will find the reciprocal of this term, so basically we can write this as 1 upon 9 sin t. So to solve this, minus 5 by 9 can be thrown out, and 1 by 9 is also constant, so we can write this as minus 5 by 81 sin t multiply by, if we will differentiate cos to the power 4t, then this will become 4 cos cube t multiply by minus of sin t. So this minus and minus will become plus, and sin t will be cancelled out. Sin t will be cancelled out. So basically we can write this as d square y divided by dx square. So we can write this as minus 20 divided by 81 multiply by cos cube t. So this can be written in brackets separately. This can be written as cos cube t. So this is the whole expression of d square y by dx square. So this is the final answer, and we have to put this answer in the given box by using certain format, because here the cos cube t, and so you have to use some power button so that it can be written as cos cube t. So I hope you got the concept to find the double derivative of any parametric equation. So basically we cannot directly calculate this, but finally we have to multiply dx by dt in this term. So you have to remember these two formulas, and this is the answer. So if you like this video, then please share it with your friends and press the like button below, and please give the feedback in the comment section also. And if you want to ask any other doubt, then please visit my website, or you can drop your doubts in the comment box below. So thank you very much.